Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of bike maintenance, finding the best motorcycle chain lube. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, choosing the right chain lube can make a world of difference in your bike's performance and longevity. Join us as we explore the top contenders in the market and help you pick the perfect lube for your ride. Number 1. Known to you all 109,767 Motorcycle Chain Lube Kit C1 C2 Complete MC Care System Road Street. Designed with precision and expertise, this comprehensive kit offers everything you need to maintain your bike's chain with ease. The kit includes both the C1 Chain Clean and C2 Chain Lube, providing a complete care system for your motorcycle's chain. The C1 Chain Clean is specially formulated to effectively remove dirt, grease, and grime from your chain, ensuring a clean surface for optimal lubrication. Its powerful formula penetrates deep into the links, leaving your chain looking and performing like new. Once your chain is clean, the C2 Chain Lube steps in to provide long-lasting lubrication and protection. Engineered for durability and effectiveness, this high-quality lube reduces friction and wear, extending the lifespan of your chain and sprockets. Its advanced formula repels water and prevents corrosion, keeping your chain in prime condition even in harsh riding conditions. With the Motul 109,767 Motorcycle Chain Clean Lube Kit, you can ride with confidence knowing that your chain is receiving the best care possible. Upgrade your maintenance routine today and experience the difference for yourself. Number 2. PJ11-22 Blue Label Chain Lube 13 ounce. The ultimate solution for motorcycle chain maintenance. Crafted with precision and backed by years of expertise, this chain lube is designed to keep your ride running smoothly mile after mile. Featuring a unique formula, the PJ11-22 Blue Label Chain Lube provides exceptional lubrication to minimize friction and wear on your chain and sprockets. Its high-performance design ensures that your chain stays well lubricated even under the most demanding riding conditions, resulting in smoother operation and improved performance. But it's not just about lubrication. This chain lube also offers outstanding protection against rust and corrosion, extending the lifespan of your chain and preserving its integrity over time. Say goodbye to premature wear and hello to long-lasting durability with PJ11-22 Blue Label Chain Lube. Designed for ease of use, the 13-ounce canister makes application a breeze, allowing you to quickly and efficiently lubricate your chain whenever needed. Whether you're hitting the open road or navigating city streets, trust PJ1 to keep your chain in top condition for the long haul. Upgrade your chain maintenance routine today with PJ11-22 Blue Label Chain Lube and experience the difference it can make for your ride. Unleash the full potential of your motorcycle and ride with confidence knowing your chain is protected by the best in the business. Number 3. WD40 All Conditions Bike Chain Lube and Chain Cleaner/Degreaser, your go-to solution for optimal chain maintenance. Designed for cyclists of all levels, this dynamic duo offers unmatched performance and convenience. The WD40 All Conditions Bike Chain Lube boasts a specialized formula that penetrates deep into the links, providing long-lasting lubrication and reducing friction for a smoother ride. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, this lube ensures peak performance in all conditions, from dry to wet and everything in between. Plus, its corrosion-resistant properties help extend the lifespan of your chain, keeping it in top shape for miles to come. Pair it with the WD40 Chain Cleaner/Degreaser, and you have a complete maintenance solution at your fingertips. This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and old lubricant from your chain, restoring it to like new condition with minimal effort. Its advanced formula ensures thorough cleaning without damaging your chain or the surrounding components, making maintenance a breeze. With their user-friendly design and superior effectiveness, the WD40 All Conditions Bike Chain Lube and Chain Cleaner/Degreaser are essential tools for any cyclist looking to keep their ride running smoothly. Number 4. Liquid Wrench 711 Chain and Cable Lube 11 ounces. The ultimate solution for maintaining your bike's chain and cables. Crafted with precision and engineered for maximum performance, this versatile lubricant is a must-have for cyclists of all levels. Designed with convenience in mind, a Liquid Wrench 711 comes in an easy-to-use 11-ounce canister, allowing for precise application without any mess or hassle. Its specialized formula penetrates deep into the links, providing long-lasting lubrication to reduce friction and wear on your chain and cables. Whether you're hitting the road or tearing up the trails, this lube ensures smooth operation and peak performance in any condition. But it's not just about lubrication. Liquid Wrench L711 also offers outstanding protection against rust and corrosion, extending the lifespan of your chain and cables. Its durable formula withstands the rigors of daily riding, ensuring reliable performance mile after mile. With its proven effectiveness and durability, Liquid Wrench L711 Chain and Cable Lube is the perfect choice for cyclists who demand the best. Keep your bike running smoothly and efficiently with this high-quality lubricant and experience the difference it can make for your ride. Number 5. Motul Motorcycle On-Road Chain Lube C2 in a convenient 400 ml, 9.3 ounce can, your bike's ultimate companion for on-road adventures. Engineered with precision and crafted for performance, this chain lube is a game-changer in motorcycle maintenance. Designed for ease of use, the C2 Chain Lube's aerosol canister ensures effortless application, allowing you to keep your chain in top condition with minimal effort. Its specialized formula penetrates deep into the links, providing long-lasting lubrication to minimize friction and wear, ensuring a smoother and more efficient ride. But doesn't stop there. The Motal C2 Chain Lube also offers exceptional protection against rust and corrosion, prolonging the lifespan of your chain and sprockets. Its advanced formula repels water and contaminants, keeping your chain clean and protected even in harsh riding conditions. With its proven effectiveness and durability, the Motul Motorcycle On-Road Chain Lube C2 is the perfect choice for riders who demand the best. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or hitting the open highway, trust Motul to keep your chain performing at its peak. Number 6. Bel-Ray Super Clean Chain Lube in a convenient 400 ml aerosol can, the ultimate solution for motorcycle chain maintenance. Crafted with precision and engineered for performance, this chain lube is a game-changer in keeping your ride running smoothly. Designed for ease of use, the aerosol canister ensures effortless application, allowing you to coat your chain evenly for maximum coverage. Its specialized formula penetrates deep into the links, providing long-lasting lubrication to minimize friction and wear, ensuring a smoother and more efficient ride. But doesn't stop there. Bel-Ray's Super Clean Chain Lube offers exceptional protection against dirt, grime, and water, keeping your chain clean and protected even in the most demanding conditions. Its advanced formula reduces buildup and extends the lifespan of your chain and sprockets, ensuring durability and reliability mile after mile. With its proven effectiveness and durability, Bel-Ray's Super Clean Chain Lube is the perfect choice for riders who demand the best. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, trust Bel-Ray to keep your chain performing at its peak. Number 7. PJ1106, a Black Label Heavy-Duty Chain Lube, 5 ounce, the ultimate solution for motorcycle chain maintenance. Crafted with precision and engineered for performance, this chain lube is designed to keep your ride running smoothly mile after mile. The 5-ounce canister is designed for convenience, allowing for easy application without any mess or hassle. Its specialized formula penetrates deep into the links, providing long-lasting lubrication to minimize friction and wear, ensuring a smoother and more efficient ride. But it's not just about lubrication. PJ1106, a Black Label Heavy-Duty Chain Lube, also offers exceptional protection against dirt, grime, and water, keeping your chain clean and protected even in the most demanding conditions. Its advanced formula reduces buildup and extends the lifespan of your chain and sprockets, ensuring durability and reliability mile after mile. With its proven effectiveness and durability, PJ1106, a Black Label Heavy-Duty Chain Lube is the perfect choice for riders who demand the best. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, trust PJ1 to keep your chain performing at its peak. And there you have it, folks. We've unveiled the top contenders for the best motorcycle chain lube. Remember, keeping your bike's chain properly lubricated is key to ensuring a smooth and safe ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, ride safe and keep those chains lubed.